How to cook easy beef binagoongan. First things first, let's boil our beef cubes until tender. And at the same time, we fry some eggplant slices. And when it's cooked, we set them aside. Now, it's time to cook. In a pan, saute garlic and onion. And then we add ginger. Next, we add the tender beef cubes. And saute it for some minutes. Next, we add some cracked pepper, and then we add 3 tablespoons of Bagoong Alamang or sauteed shrimp paste. And we mix it really well. Add also some bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we add 400 ml of coconut cream. And then we cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we can add in the eggplant slices. And then it's done. Thank you for watching.